Hello students, in this video we will summarize the whole chapter, that is chapter number 7, Weather, Climate and Adaptation of Animals to Climate. So what is weather? Weather may be defined as the day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to the temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. Now, what are the elements of weather? The elements of weather are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed. And how the weather is recorded? It is recorded through maximum and minimum thermometers. Then, what is climate? Climate is the average weather pattern taken over a long time for about 25 years. Then, what are the different types of climate of in different regions, like hot and dry in Rajasthan, hot and wet in Kerala, moderately hot and wet in northeast Jammu and Kashmir. So, now next topic is adaptation. So, what is adaptation? So, we will define the adaptation, the ability of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chances of its survival in the environment in which they live is known as adaptations. So, adaptations are of three types, that is structural adaptation, behavioral adaptation and physiological adaptation. So, what is structural adaptation? Adaptation of special body parts of an organism that helps it to survive in its natural habitat. And what is behavioral adaptation? Adaptation of special ways in a particular organism that helps it to survive in its natural habitat. Now, what is physiological adaptations? Adaptations of body systems present in an organism that allows it to perform the certain biochemical reactions. Now, we will study the adaptations of different animals region wise. Now, first we will discuss about polar region. So, the polar region, as the name suggests, are situated near the poles, that is North Pole and South Pole. The countries that belong to polar regions are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, etc. Now, in this we will discuss first about the polar bear. So, what are the characteristics of polar bear? So, polar bear is a good swimmer. It has strong sense of smell to catch prey. Then it is having long, curved and sharp claws to catch prey, and it can easily walk with ease on snow and ice. It protects themselves from the predators. Then white fur is present on the surface of its body. So these are some of the adaptive features in polar bears. Now next we have penguins. So penguins are having streamlined body. It is having thick skin. It is having lots of fats which protects from cold. It huddled together. So it has webbed feet also. Next about the Siberian cranes. So first of all, what is migration? Migration is the seasonal journey taken by different animals or birds to escape the extreme climatic conditions and the search of food. Example is Siberian crane. Siberian cranes migrate towards warmer region in the autumn by traveling several thousands of kilometers. They are seen in the Bharatpur, Rajasthan and Sultanpur, Haryana, and sometimes in wetland of northeast and other part of India. Migratory birds sometimes travel as much as 15,000 kilometers to escape the extreme climatic conditions of their habitat. Now, next is the tropical rainforest. So, in tropical rainforest, we have also different types of animals. First is red-eyed frog. It is having sticky pads which help in climbing the trees. Then we have the monkeys. Then monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Then we have toucans. Then this is having large long beak also. And then we have lions and tigers. They have lions and tigers have thick skin and sensitive to hearing. Then we have the elephant also in the tropical rainforest. So it is having large ears which helps to hear very soft sound, and it keeps its body cool also. Then elephant is having tusks, which are the modified teeth. Then it is having a trunk for picking up of the food. Then we have the other animals also. We have loin-tailed macaque or beard ape. It is having silver white vein. It really comes down on the ground as it gets sufficient food on the trees. Then it also eats seeds, young leaves, then stems, flowers, and bird. Then it feeds mainly on the fruits also. It also eats buds also. Buds also. Yes. Thank you.